In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your photos into a cartoon effect using Photoshop. Whether you're new to Photoshop or looking to expand your creative repertoire, I'll make sure everything is clearly explained as we go through each step together. First off, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open and ready to go. This software is fantastic for creative projects and offers a wide range of tools for all kinds of artistic endeavors. So, once you have it up and running, the first thing you'll want to do is add your chosen image to Photoshop. Pick a photo that you'd like to transform with that fun cartoon feel and get it loaded up into the program. The next step is really important, converting your image into a smart object. What does this mean for you? It allows for non-destructive edits, which is just a fancy way of saying that you can make changes freely and they can be easily adjusted or removed without altering your original image. To do this, head over to the filter menu at the top and click on Convert for Smart Filters. It's a worthwhile extra step to ensure flexibility as you experiment with different effects. Now, let's apply the poster edges effect. This is where the magic starts to happen. Navigate to the filter menu again, click on Filter Gallery, then find the artistic options and select poster edges. Here you'll have some settings to play with like edge thickness, edge intensity, and posterization. I suggest setting a high edge thickness to make those outlines bold and cartoonish. Keep the edge intensity low for a cleaner result without too much texture taking over. As for the posterization, a lower value retains more color gradations, giving you smoother transitions between shades, while higher values will simplify the color palette for a more classic screen printed look. Finally, once you're happy with how your cartoon style image looks, it's time to save your work. Use the Save As option, which will let you choose from various formats like JPG, PNG, or TIFF, depending on where or how you plan to use your image next. Whether you're sharing it online or printing it for a project, selecting the right format is crucial for maintaining quality and accessibility. And there you have it. You've just created a striking cartoon effect from a regular photo using Photoshop. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and not be afraid to tweak those settings until you get the look that satisfies your creative vision. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have fun trying this effect on your own images.